Welcome to the Gabriel home. We take special pride at Christmas time. Every year, all of us sit together and decide what we're going to do with our tree first. Okay, so this year it's a red and a white and a gold tree. So this is what we've done in our own simple way. This is how we've done our Christmas. And it's not just me, it's all of us together, right? This is our Christmas tree, the Gabriel home. This is the nativity scene, the depiction of the actual manger where Jesus was born. Now, in all this celebration, we should never forget that Jesus is the reason for the season. Without a crib, every Christian home must have a crib, and this is our pride. This is my pride. This is the pride of our family. We've put this together in our own special way with the actual crib, which you try to make it look as a manger as possible, and that's what we've done here. At least I've tried to do. And this is joy. When Christ was born, this is what we believe we got. We got redeemed, we got joyful. Okay, as we all know, the main flower at this time of the year is the poinsettia. Okay, so everything is poinsettia. The flowers, the candle stands, the wreaths, everything has poinsettia. If you notice, it's all red and white poinsettia. Okay. Every home celebrating Christmas or celebrating anything has a wreath, and our home has this wreath as well. It is a symbol of hope and everlasting life. Okay, the green celebrates everlasting life, and this is what is on every home that celebrates Christmas. I moved to my window, and it's a Santa Claus window. It's just got Santa so that everyone from out as well as from in can see. These are Santas that are collected over the years. And the most important thing for the kids especially are the chocolates. You've got to have lots of chocolates for the kids. This is a blue theme, okay, and I've just done it up with Santas. It's blue all over and Santas. I want everyone to know this did not happen overnight. I've been collecting as a family. We've been collecting stuff over the years. Every year we add to it, okay? So that's how we got this huge, massive collection. It didn't happen overnight. Every time we see something we like, we just pick it up. Everywhere we travel, we pick it up, always keeping our home in mind. Remember, home is where the heart is, and our heart is in our home. Thanks for watching. I just want everyone to know that this is not a single effort, like I said before. It looks very simple, but believe me, we've put a lot of thought into it, and each one of us has gone around, a little bit adjustment here, a little bit of adjustment there, and even our cushions have Santa on it. This is our bonding time, this is what we do. This is how we love to celebrate Christmas. It's not just about the day of Christmas, it's about the whole season of happiness, of joy, of love, lots of giving, lots and lots and lots of laughter and lots of joy.
I'm sure all of you all must have eaten the phalli chikki or the peanut chikki. So let's try making something fun with it today along with chocolate. So let's start.
అతి తక్కువ టైంలో అతి తక్కువ ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్ తోటి మనం కలర్ఫుల్గా ఉండే బర్ఫీని మన కిచెన్లో తయారు చేసుకుని